Hey beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am so glad you found your way. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It really helps me create more healing space for you. Welcome once again. This is moment to come home to yourself, to pause, to breathe and to find stillness. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Let your hand rest gently and close your eyes if that feels right. Now we will work on our breath for some time, and I want you to take a deep breath in, hold it, and exhale softly through your mouth. Take a deep breath in, hold it, and exhale softly. Let yourself arrive here. Let go of everything else. Right now, there is nowhere to be, nothing to do, just this moment. Slowly bring awareness to your body. Notice how it feels, the point of contact, the weight, the temperature of the air on your skin. Now, gently bring your attention to your feet and let them relax. Relax your ankles, your calves, your thighs, soften your hips. Let your belly relax. Let your chest open and your shoulders drop. Unclench your jaw. Soften your eyes and your forehead. Let your entire body melt into ease. With every exhale, release a little more stress. Let yourself feel supported, grounded, and safe. Now, shift your focus to your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall. No need to change it, just observe. Breathe in and breathe out. With each inhale, feel yourself becoming lighter and lighter. With each exhale, release anything that feels heavy. Breathe in calm. Breathe out stress. Breathe in calm, breathe out stress. Breathe in calm, breathe out stress. Breathe in calm, breathe out stress. Let your breath become your anchor, steady, reliable, and peaceful. Now, I want you to imagine a place where you feel completely at peace. It could be a real place, a person, a forest, a beach, a mountain, or something from your imagination. Imagine the light, the color, the sound, the textures. Feel that air on your skin. You are safe here. You are whole. Let this peaceful energy surround you. Let it enter your body, your heart, your mind, and you breathe it in. With every breath, this peaceful space becomes part of you. You are not just visiting, you are remembering that this calm has always lived within you. Now, as you rest in this peaceful state, repeat these affirmations in your mind. I am at peace with myself. I release all that no longer serves me. I choose calm in every moment. Peace begins within me. I trust the flow of life. I am grounded, calm, and centered. I let go of what I cannot control. My heart is open. My mind is clear. I deserve peace. I welcome it now. Stillness is my natural state. I create calm within, no matter what surrounds me. Every breath I take fills me with serenity. I am aligned with the rhythm of life. I choose inner harmony over outer chaos. I am safe in this moment. My soul is calm and my spirit is light. Let these words sink in. Let them become part of your truth. Now, allow yourself to rest in quiet stillness. There is nothing to do. Just breathe, breathe. Gently, slowly feel your breath. Just be present. If thoughts arise, let them float by, like how clouds float in the sky. Return to your breath. Let silence hold you. Let peace move through you. You are safe, you are calm, you are home. Slowly begin to return to the present. Bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Feel the ground beneath you. Take one more deep, soothing breath in and exhale fully. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Take this peace with you. Let it guide you through your day, your week, your life. Remember, inner peace is always available. All you have to do is return. Thank yourself for showing up. Today, you are calm, you are grounded, you are peace. Till we meet next time, remember to be gentle with yourself. Namaste.